Chia coin. Chia. So this is created by Bram Cohen, who was the creator of BitTorrent, which is basically one of the technologies that started really changing the world. And I am skeptical of this coin, but part of the reason for that is they're a company that want to go onto the stock market. So there's a few interesting sort of aims here that I want to talk about. Before I get into it though, if you're new here, guys, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In all the videos I showed myself buying up these coins. They were cryptos that I thought were going to make me very, very good money. You can see what they were all worth when I recorded the videos. You can also see the highs that all these coins hit in under a year and a half, as well as what your profits would have been if you'd have popped $100 into each of them when I released the videos and sold after about 15, 16 months. Your total profit in that time would have been over 123 grand. Now, you don't have that long to sort your portfolios out. We're in a bull cycle right now. Bitcoin's hovering around 90,000 bucks. And if you're sitting on cryptos that you're not confident in, it's because they're not going to make you any money. So getting your portfolios sorted has got to be a priority for everyone. If you go on to copymycrypto.com, on that site, you'll see what my members have earned. You can also see the successes we have had. It's all public record. On the site, I share my entire portfolio with my members. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell a coin, I tell my members the coin that I'm going to buy or sell, price I'm going to do it at. So my members can copy along exactly. They make the same profit as me, except they don't have any work to do at all. And if you like the sound of that, like I said, have a look through the site, see what it's all about, and maybe try it out, guys. Now, Chia. So, yeah, founders have great resumes, and the price action looks miserable on this. Excuse me. So, Chia is a layer 1, and it uses their own custom design programming language called Chia Lisp. From my perspective, I always think that's a bad idea. Like, you want to basically make it as simple and easy as possible for any developer to come on and use your platform. You don't want them to have to learn a new programming language. Excuse me. And they have a novel consensus mechanism called proof of space and time. This combination of allows the blockchain to use less energy without compromising security. Now, Chia Network is a public, for-profit, open-source company, and they aim to get listed on the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. Now, what the hell is going on? So, the company itself, behind it, plans to have the token on its balance sheet in case of a listing, which probably is a good idea. Now, this is very unusual in crypto. We don't normally see a for-profit company. We certainly don't see ones that are aiming to get onto the stock exchange, except for obviously Coinbase, really. So it's founded by Bram Cohen. Sorry. Oh, God, that's gross. Right. Founded by Bram Cohen, who created BitTorrent. The project is headed by an experienced senior management team. Former NASDAQ CEO Gene Hoffman is COO. Former Overstock CEO is CFO. So between them, they've got really, really good resumes. They also got a ton of cash when they were doing their fundraising. Andreessen Horowitz was one of the big investors, along with Slow Ventures, Naval Ravikant, Galaxy Digital, and others. Now, there are definite downsides to Chia. First of all, I think where they're at right now with their ecosystem, I think is pretty weak. They are trying to push on the next on the carbon market tech. Actually, that's sort of an area that they have had a lot of focus in. Also, in improving supply chain data. This seems to be less crypto solutions, more business solutions, actually, which I don't mind. I don't mind at all. Now, So they've got luxury solutions here. So we'll go through a couple of them just so we can see. So you can integrate their modular solutions for authenticity, provenance, and ownership. So again, this can protect your brand and maintain compliance. It enables your customers to demonstrate their ownership. It provides authenticity through the product's life cycle. So it like guarantees how the product was made effectively, so that you can really like legitimize any business. That as a focus, not a bad idea at all. Like strengthening the trustworthiness of businesses, good idea. Climate wise, personally, I wouldn't be focused on this, but this is going to be a growth area in some way, shape or form. The climate is always going to be a discussion point in this world, right? So the idea of this is quite interesting. Trying to, and they're working with good names within the industry as well. You know, you've got Climate Action Data Trust, you've got the Eco Registry, and you've got Climate Action Center of Excellence. So they are pushing on sensible areas. They're not really, again, this isn't like let's see what DeFi solutions they've got and stuff like that. This is more business to business based work. But it doesn't appear as though they've got tons of solid contracts in place yet, certainly from a business standpoint. I do think there is growth, from the individuals that are actually a part of this, you know, the CTO, the CFO, the CEO, they've got such phenomenal resumes. There is a very, very good chance they're going to be able to get very strong business relationships and close some really significant deals. And again, the chances of them getting onto the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ are going to be massively higher than any other crypto that's aiming to do that, because they've got the former NASDAQ CEO as part of the team. He's going to have the connections that can help them. And I do think Chia can maybe have could potentially have a good year. I don't think we're ever going to see it get back to these prices. That the only way that happens is if it does get listed on the stock exchange. I think realistically, you know, it seems like there was a lot of volume hovering and a lot of there was at least decent support areas back in 2021 around the 300 mark. So I think maybe it can get back to $200-300. It certainly can have that potential based on the fact that it isn't on Coinbase, it isn't on Binance, so a listing would obviously buoy this hugely. I will say this though, probability of them getting listed I think is very, very slim. Very, very slim, because volume wise this isn't actually doing much at all. $5 or $6 million a day, you know, this one's 7.5 million today, but it's got a market cap of 210 million. You would want much more volume there. And the only reason that they would get listed on Binance or Coinbase would be if those exchanges are going to benefit from lots of trading. So I would be surprised to see Chia get listed. And with that in mind, I think it's going to struggle to have a particularly good year unless they, again, the only variables that could suggest a good year to me from this point are, does it get listed on the stock exchange, which I think no chance right now, but you know, they've got the right people in place to help that happen. Does it get listed on Binance or Coinbase? As of right now, those things, and the third thing, do they land massive business contracts? Now, the first two, the NASDAQ stock exchange and the Binance Coinbase listings, I think very, very unlikely. However, huge business contracts would drive those two, would increase the probability of all those other things happening. If Chia started saying we're working directly with, I don't know, Nike, Volkswagen, whoever, like big companies, all of a sudden Chia now is a player. And then people pay attention, volumes could surge, and this could have a very good year. Now, does it get back to $300? I think it's unlikely. I think it's really unlikely. I think that's kind of the peak I would say that this can go, even with listings and big deals right now. There's not enough interest or momentum, but anything is obviously possible in crypto. If all those things don't happen, I think realistically, Chia will struggle to get back to even $50. Is my honest take on this. It kind of hit 50 earlier in the year, so maybe I could say 60 in that regard. The only way it has a super good year, like I said, the deals with businesses or the listings. And I think the listings would only happen from deals with businesses. That's where I stand right now. But Bram Cohen, a hero, creating BitTorrent, he is a hero. So we'll see if they have any success this year. But the deal, the only thing I would be paying attention to from if I was an investor in Chia would be, are they nailing down any good deals? That would be it. That's the driving force for everything else. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. Do you think they are going to... do you think they're going to get anywhere close to $100? Do you think, if you're a holder, what do you like about what they're doing right now? Is there anything you really dislike about what they're doing? Price action, you could talk about price action, but price action you can see is not great. So kind of just interested in what you think from the business side of it. What you think is really good. Share in the comments. And guys, look, we're in a bull cycle right now, and if you're not happy or confident in the cryptos you own, sort your portfolios out today. Just get it done. Every day you wait is money lost. If you're sitting on cryptos you're not confident in, get onto copymycrypto.com. Just have a look through the site. On there you will see what my members have earned. You can read the successes that we have had. It's all public record, so you can verify it all online. On the site, I share my portfolio with my members. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell a coin, I tell my members the coin that I'm going to buy or sell, the price I'm going to do it at. My members can copy along exactly. They make the exact same profit as me without any work at all. Like I said, read through, watch the videos, verify everything that you read. If you like what you see, try out the service. Some of my coins have been ripping in the last couple of weeks, more than the market average. So you want to check out the site. And that is it from me. I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.